Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I'm going to talk you through how I clean my fridge and how to store your food properly. This is something that I didn't actually know until I researched it for this video, so I hope that you find it really helpful. To clean my fridge today, I decided that I'm going to stick to one product to keep things interesting. So I've opted for, you may have already guessed it, the pink stuff. So I've gone for all of the things in the pink stuff range. These two are new and this is the original. So I'm going to use the paste, which is slightly, it's got a slight kind of like grit to it, so it's really good at removing any tough stains. So I'm going to use that on any shelves or anything that may have some slight marks from leakages and things like that. And then I'm going to use the cream cleaner to clean the rest of my shelves, which I'm going to be taking out of the fridge. And then lastly, I'm going to use the multi-purpose spray to clean the inside of the fridge, cleaning the walls and any trays or shelves that I wasn't able to take out of the fridge. So keeping in the theme of all the pink things, we've also got a pink sponge and we've also got a pink cloth. So we're keeping it pink today, and that's why I'm wearing my pink jumper. I really hope that you like this video. If you do, let me know by just giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel for lots more videos like this. Without further ado, let's get in the fridge.
Your first step is to just take everything out of the fridge. You won't believe the amount of stuff that you've probably got hiding in your fridge. When you're doing it as well, you need to check for dates, see if anything is out of date. I find pickles and things like that are usually out of date that have been hiding way at the back. So have a really good rummage through and check everything for mold and anything that may have gone off. Have your bin to hand, so as you're getting the food out, you can check it and throw away any of the food that has gone out of date. Your next job is to take out any of the trays that are in the fridge. These include the shelves and the side trays that are on the door. They're all going to have a really good scrub down. Once everything's out, you'll be left with an empty fridge and you can see the damage inside. Before I start washing, I just lay out some tea towels so that the water doesn't go everywhere because all of the trays won't fit on the draining board. I then pop on my rubber gloves and get some nice hot soapy water ready to wash the trays. Some of the shelves I'm going to use the pink stuff in the paste version because there's quite a lot of dried food. To rinse the paste off, I'm going to use my pink sponge and make sure it's really soaking wet, full of lovely warm water to give it an extra good clean. For the shelves which are not so dirty, I'm just going to use the cream cleaner. It works really well with the sponge. Once you have cleaned all of the shelves and trays, just leave them on the side to dry. Now it's time to clean the inside of the fridge, so I'm just grabbing the multi-purpose spray and giving it a really good spritz in there, and then with my pink e-cloth I'm just going to give it a wipe down. By this time all of your trays and shelves should be dry, so it's time to put them back inside the fridge. Now it's time to start putting all of your food back into the fridge, placing your vegetables in the tray at the bottom as that's where it's coolest and most humid. On the bottom shelf is where you want to place your meats, because sometimes they can drip, so you need them below, and also that's where it's coldest. And then above them is where you're going to put your dairy products and your eggs, as that is the place where temperature is most regulated. We're used to having the milk in the door, so that's where we're going to keep it because it's easy to access when it's there. Above that is where you're going to keep all of your fruit. I also put my tomatoes and cucumber up there. And then on the top shelf is where you put any leftovers that you might have, or you can put food up there which doesn't need to be prepared. Condiments can go on the door because they have preservatives in them, which mean that they don't need to have a regulated temperature. And there you have it, a very organised fridge. Job is to just spray down the front of the fridge with the multi-purpose cleaner and make sure that it all looks lovely and shiny.
And that's it. My fridge is sparkling clean, my food is organised, and I am now gonna go and enjoy myself a lovely cup of coffee. This definitely took a lot less time than I thought it was gonna take me, so I've got a little bit of free time to go and enjoy now before I go and collect Olivia from school. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Until next time everybody, bye.